Hey Amalodians, welcome to Amalodian YouTube channel. And I also welcome you guys to another prosperous and profitable trading week. In today's video, I'm going to review and explain in detail all the A plus setups I'm watching out for on all the 7 currency pairs on my watch list for the week. If you want to enjoy our free weekly profitable signal, kindly join our official Telegram signal channel via the link in this video description. And if you enjoy this, go and click on the like and subscribe button, turn on the notification button so that you can be the first to get notification when next we upload another exclusive Forex video tutorial. As you all know, we have our blueprint formula that we use to analyze the market all the time. This blueprint is like a guide, a manual to guide us to take the right setup in the market. The first step is to establish the market structure. Being able to establish the market structure direction will help us to know who is dominating the market between the buyers and the seller. While the second is to establish major key levels. The third one is to predefine our entry systems. The reason why we want to enter this trade, why we want to buy or sell. The last on the list is to predefine our exit system. Remember, our rule says we must make trend our friend. This is pounds US dollar daily time frame. As we all know that during a downtrend market, when market is trending to the downside, forming lower high, lower low, before we can consider that this downtrend is no longer valid, it is when the last lower high has been taken out. It is when market trade above this lower high, that is when we can change our sentiment back to bullish to form higher low, higher high, higher low. But in a scenario, in a situation like this, market can give us a retracement to form equal high and continue the bearish movement. For the past 1 month on pounds US dollar daily time frame, you can see that the price has been selling for the past 1 month, forming a bearish retracement structure: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now I think price is kind of like forming lower high for the continuation of the bearish structure, or price can take out this lower high here and give us bullish sentiment. Now our decision in the market now is to wait for price to decide between these two key level zones, right? This space is serving as support. This zone here is serving as support, while this space is serving as a last lower high during this bearish retracement structure. So we're expecting two things to happen. Instead of the price take out this high to give us a confirmation that the buyers are fully in charge of this market to form a bullish structure, to form higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Or we want the price to break this support zone here to give us a retest back at this support, turn to resistance, then so that we can take a sell opportunity. Now our two sentiments on pounds US dollar for the week is to take a buy opportunity. If price break this guy to the upper side, then we wait for a pullback at this support zone here so that we can take a buy opportunity around this zone. That is our sentiments 1, or buyers 1. Or we wait for price to break this support key level zone, then we wait for a retest here, then we take a sell opportunity around this zone. This is very simple. And another scenario that we can put into consideration to confirm that what we are doing is valid. Now look at this bearish retracement structure for the past 1 month, this downtrend line has been invalidated. If you go to 4 hours time frame, you will agree with me that this downtrend line has been invalidated last week. Let us refine tune this trend line. You can see now the downtrend line on the daily time frame has been taken out on 4 hours time frame. You can see that the price is now kind of like consolidating above this downtrend line. As a result of this downtrend line breakout, it's another confirmation that the buyers are back in this game on 4 hours time frame. And you agree with me, the structure on 4 hours time frame is now bullish, whereby a structure of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price was supposed to form a lower low last week, but price failed to form low equal lows. Then as a result of that, the structure changed back to bullish structure. Now we are having higher high, higher low. We're expecting the continuation of the bearish structure, of the bullish structure on 4 hours time frame. So these are the two sentiments or two buyers we have for the week. We're expecting price to break this resistance, give us a pullback here, then we take a buy opportunity. Remember, if price break this resistance to the upper side and form a retest around this key level zone, we are not executing on 4 hours time frame. Our entry time frames are 30 minutes, 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes, either of these lower time frame. That's what we use for our entry time frame, depending on the price action or the reaction of the candlestick at our point of interest during the market. So that is what is going to decide which time frame we are going to use for our entry. And as you all know, that what we use for our entry, if we are in a bullish market, we use bullish reversal candlestick pattern, or if we are in a bearish sentiment market, we use bearish reversal candlestick pattern. This is very simple. We just have to follow our blueprint by establishing the market structure, establishing major key level zone. Then we predefine our entry system by using the lower time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes for our entry system before we take any decision. Then the last on the list is to predefine where to exit our winning position. So if we are taking a trade around this zone here, our exit point is going to be at this resistance key level zone here. This space is going to be our take profit zone. So if we are taking a buy opportunity after this breakout, wait for a retest here, we are taking a buy opportunity around this zone here. This resistance here is going to be our final take profit level. Or if price break the support to the downside, then we are taking a sell opportunity around this zone here. Then this support zone is going to be our final take profit level. This support zone here is going to be our final take profit level. So this is very, very simple. Please don't joke with this loaded Forex blueprint formula if you want to become a profitable trader. The next currency pair on my watch list is Euro USD. Looking at the daily time frame of Euro USD, you agree with me that this market structure is bullish, whereby price formed a swing higher high, swing higher low. Now we're expecting a new swing higher high to form this week, right? Now, as a result of that, the next step is to establish our major key level zone. So looking at this zone here, since the major structure is bullish, so what we're expecting is to establish our major key level zone around this zone here, and our major key level zone around this here as well. These are the two areas that we're anticipating. So what is going to happen now is to wait for price to take out this resistance here. Then we wait for a retest around this zone, we take a buy opportunity, or we wait for this resistance to push the market to the downside, or we wait for price to, this resistance here to push the price action down to this support zone so that we can take a buy opportunity. So these are the two sentiments that we're anticipating on Euro USD. So we are expecting market to come to this support zone here so that we can take a buy opportunity, and also price to break this resistance to the upper side and give us a pullback here so that we can take buy opportunity on Euro USD. The next pair on my watch list is USD Swiss franc. Now, looking at the daily time frame of USD Swiss franc, you agree with me that the structure is bearish, whereby the price from lower low, lower high, then swing lower low. Now we're expecting swing lower high for the continuation of this bearish movement. Last week Monday, I posted a video that I'm expecting this market to form a retracement throughout last week to this key level zone. If you watch the last week market top down analysis, you agree with me. I said I'm expecting this market to come down to this, to buy to this key level zone here throughout last week. I'm expecting market to buy to this key level zone so that we can take a massive swing sell opportunity. Or if that did not happen, I'm expecting market to break this key level zone here like this, to break the support level zone here so that we can wait for a pullback and we take a sell opportunity. So these are the two sentiments I'm expecting this week. These are my two PO highs where I'm expecting this price action to still buy to this resistance, then we take a sell opportunity on Swiss on USD CHF. And another pair on my watch list is Euro USD. Euro JPY. Sorry for that. Euro JPY. And looking at the daily structure of Euro JPY, you agree with me that this market structure is bullish. For like 3 months or 4 months ago, market was seriously bullish structure, whereby forming higher high, higher low, higher high. And during this bullish market structure, the sellers took charge of the market around this zone here. At this point, highest point here, and so the market to break the structure, the last higher low during this bullish market, took out this higher low. That changed the structure of the daily time frame to bearish. Right now, our sentiment now changed to bearish structure, whereby our opportunity is to keep selling the market, selling Euro JPY. Then looking at this guy, the next step is for us to establish our major key level zone here. So the next key level zone is around this zone here, and that was the same thing that I did last week. And these are the two zones that I am expecting to hold this price action so that we can take a beautiful A+ setup on Euro JPY. I'm expecting this price to see buy to this key level zone so that we can take a sell opportunity, or the price action to buy up to this key level zone so that we can take another sell opportunity. So these are the two PO highs that I'm watching out for on Euro JPY. The last currency pair on my watch list is AUD USD. Looking at the daily time frame of AUD USD, you agree with me that this AUSD, the buyers are the one dominating the market on the daily time frame, whereby the price already formed a bullish reversal chart pattern, and that is inverse head and shoulder, whereby we have shoulder around this zone here, then we are having head, then we are kind of like having second shoulder around this zone here. And whenever you spot this reversal chart pattern at the end of a downtrend market, that is a symbol or an indication that the buyers want to take charge of the market. Now, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to sell down to the second shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder on daily time frame so that we can take a buy opportunity, or we wait for price to break this resistance on daily time frame, to break it to the upper side, and wait for a pullback at this resistance turn to support so that we can take another buy opportunity on AUD USD. These are the two setups that I am watching out for on AUD USD. Please kindly click the subscribe button, like, and turn on the notification button so that you can be the first to receive our next exclusive video tutorial. Supporting us to do these 3 things will help YouTube to recommend our exclusive video to other people and boost our YouTube channel algorithm. And if there's any trading system you want us to do the video tutorial, you can notify us in the comment section. See you next time.